How to light up. Okay, now here's how to wire it up. Look at the labels on the wires. R equals red channel, G equals green channel, B equals blue channel, V plus equals positive. Connect these 4 wires from the neon strip to the output side of your RGB controller. Then connect the RGB controller to your 24 volts power supply. Power supply wattage length in FD4.27W1. to reserve 20% plus headroom. Once everything's connected, it should light up. You can change colors and brightness using the RGB remote control. How to cut. This RGB corner neon LED strip comes with an IP65 waterproof rating from the factory. If you cut it, you will need to do additional waterproofing to maintain the IP65 rating. Here's how to cut it properly. The cutting unit is 1.92 inches. You'll see a dashed cut line on the back of the strip. You must cut exactly along that dashed line, otherwise, part of the strip may not light up. Measure where you want to cut. Then use a utility knife, hold it perpendicular to the rubber backing, and cut along the line. This will give you the cleanest, flattest cut. After cutting, you'll have 2 pieces, strip A and strip B. How to waterproof strip A. Now, let's go over waterproofing for strip A. That's the piece that still has the original power wire. On the cut end of strip A, you'll notice 2 small holes. The end cap we provide also has 2 small holes. They're meant to match up. First, before you do any sealing, test strip A to make sure it still lights up after cutting. Once you confirm it works, apply some sealant glue onto the end cap. Then, align the holes on the end cap with the holes on the strip, and push the end cap on firmly. That's all. Your strip A is now waterproofed and installed. How to power strip B. After cutting, strip B will have no power wire attached, but it will have a normal end cap. So you need to add a power wire to the end that's missing it. We include RGB power wires in the accessory kit. The number of wires equals the length of the strip in meters. After cutting the RGB strip, you also need to peel off a small section of the coating to expose the PCB board. Then take the fork or power wire and solder the end with the 4 wires lined up side by side onto the PCB board. Once you've soldered it, test the strip to make sure it lights up. Then you can put the end cap on. Align the small hole on the end cap with the small hole on the strip. Same as before. Repeat the waterproofing process. Wire exit options. Originally, the strip is set up as bottom feed. The wire exits from the bottom of the end cap. This is great for wall mounting because you can easily hide the wire behind the strip. But if you need the wire to come out straight from the end, for example, if you want to run the wire along the wall and fix it in place, you can change it. On the end cap, there's a small removable piece covering one of the holes. Just use a pair of tweezers to pull it out. Once that piece is removed, the wire can now come out straight instead of from the bottom. That's what we call straight exit. So, bottom exit for hiding wires, straight exit for running wires along the wall. Choose what works best for your installation.